Now let's talk about making some longer measurements where we have to use a mix of feet and inches. So the first thing we have to know about feet and inches is that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So it's not some nice round number like 10 that we saw in all those metric relationships. Here we have 12 inches to make up 1 foot. When we make a measurement of some kind of longer distance or longer length, then we end up reporting this measurement as a mix of feet and inches. A really common everyday example is someone's height. So for example, someone's height might be given as 5'6", and you'd often see this written as 5, then the single apostrophe for foot, and then 6 inches, inches having that double apostrophe. So that's 5'6". So we'd say that as 5 feet 6 inches. Or we might say that as 5'6". And then we're implying 5'6" is 5 feet 6 inches tall. So now we'll go through a couple of examples together where we have a measuring tape that's made some measurement, and we have to try to get the reading off that measuring tape. So here's our first example. You can see that we have some measurement longer than 10 feet, but shorter than 11 feet. So our measurement is going to be 10 foot and then some number of inches. So now we have to read the inches here. And so the starting at 10, one of the easiest ways to do this is just count upwards from 10. 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you see we land pretty close to 6 inches, and this is asking us to make a measurement to the nearest inch, so we can round here and say that that's 10 feet 6 inches. Now let's try the second example. This is where we're going to see one of the quirks of measuring tape, is that often measuring tapes have some important numbers highlighted. So here we see our 7-foot measurement. So our measurement is going to be bigger than 7 feet. And now we can just start counting up the inches to see 7 feet and how many inches. So 7 foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13 inches. So what's happened here is that this 96 inches is highlighted, and it's actually covering up what's really 8 feet. 96 inches is the same as 8 feet. So we wouldn't report this as 7 feet 13 inches. That wouldn't make any sense because there's more than 13 inches is more than a foot. So what we're going to say is that this is 8 feet 1 inch. 8 foot 1.